Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. And today we are going to read about a very interesting topic about cell, the microscopic and fundamental unit of life. So let's begin with the definition of cell. The branch of science in which we read about cell is called cytology. And definition of cell: cell is considered as smallest structural and functional unit of life. How this can be said? Cell form a tissue form an organ form a organ system, and an organ system, some organ system form an individual. And every organism is made up of cell, which is the building block of human or any individual. This theory was given by Salden and Swan. Who discovered first time cell? Who observed this? Robert Hooke in 1665 very first time observed cell and named it cell. He observing a bottle cork through the microscope, and what he noticed that there are honeycomb like structure and there are compartment like structure in there, and the small compartment, he named this small compartment cell. And very few was known about cell almost 150 years after this observation. After the invention of electron microscope, Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1674 very first time observed the living cell and some more minute detailing about the cell. He observed there are different size and there are different number of cells in the different organism. Let's talks about size. Some are very large, like 170 mm to 130 mm. These are cell of ostrich eggs, and some are very small, 0.1 to 0.5 micron. And obviously these are we can't see from unaided eye. And now coming to the number of cell. When we see an elephant and a rat, we did not misunderstand that the elephant is possessing larger size of cell and rat is smaller size of cell. They are not different in size of cell but in the number of cell. A body of elephant containing large number of cells and a rat is containing a small number of cells. These are different in number. And on the basis of number of cells, we can divide organism in two parts, unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organism having only one cell, but they also perform every function that a living being perform, like respiration, digestion, excretion, growth and reproduction. And number second is multicellular organism. Multicellular organism possess trillions of cells, but they also begins their life from a single cell, that was a fertilized egg cell. A fertilized egg cell form a tissue form an organ, and organ form organ system, and including some organ system a individual form or a human or any individual, rat, any animal. And now coming to the types of cell. There are two types of cell, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are considered as primitive and premature cell. As the name suggests, pro means primitive and karyotic means cell. These cells are come first during the process of evolution. The prokaryotic cell have three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. And eukaryotic cell are known as true cell, as the name suggests. Eukaryotic, you means true and karyotic means cell. Eukaryotic cell are come after the prokaryotic cell, and these are well developed. These have also three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Now coming to the cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outer layer of the cell which provides shape and size to the cell, and this is semi-permeable in nature. But in eukaryotic cell, the cell membrane in plant cell, there is a additional structure found which is called cell wall, which provides them extra rigidity and prevent them from harsh weathering conditions. And now number second, cytoplasm. This also found in both type of cell. Cytoplasm are jelly-like structure made of salt and water. And here anaerobic respiration takes place, and this anaerobic respiration creates 2 ATP, and this is the only energy source of a prokaryotic cell. And number third is nucleus. Nucleus of prokaryotic cell is not very much developed, but in eukaryotic cell nucleus is well developed, and in the nucleus a nucleolus is found where we can find chromosome, DNA and RNA, the genetic material of life, in very organized way. And this nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown, and he has also discovered the minute detailing of cell. And what he discovered about the organelles and the detailing of the cell, we learn in next class. And what is the powerhouse of cell, what is the traffic police of cell, what is the suicidal bag of cell, and much more interesting thing we have to learn, and this will be learned in next class. Okay, thank you class.